Hello, I am Connor Wright with ShowSage at LDI booth 801. I'm here with the LightAct products. We have LightAct media servers here. We have the Reactor, the Unit, and the Mini. These media servers are great for big shows and fast workflows. What we have showing off here is a mini show, actually, instead of a big show, but it's to give the idea that you can do big shows. What we have going on here is 3 video outputs, some live feed for camera, and DMX. Then here we have our user interface. It's very easy to create shows in LightAct. A lot of clicking and dragging allows you to create such big shows very quickly. And one of the fun things about LightAct is that it can be as complex as need be because of the nodes. If you want to get really creative, you can utilize these nodes to do so many cool effects. As well as LightAct is a high-end media server, so you can create generative content with Unreal Engine links. I'm Connor Wright. Thank you for your time.
Website?
What?
Website.
Our website is showsage.com. Or you could visit LightAct's website, lightact.com. We have a Discord if you have any questions, or you could email us.